आप पहले भी आए होंगे डेफिनेटली.
2 years before I came back to Mumbai. Actually, I know Mumbai. I have some friends in Mumbai. Sorry.
सामने.
Yeah. First of all, good evening, everyone. I know. Actually, I'm so excited. I was watering first time my movie watching. I don't know what to say this time. I know today is a very special day for us. You know, Djibouti is my debutant movie. Actually, it is very close to my heart. You know, it is a movie like all kinds of elements like love, music, action, and drama. So I promise you, first of all, it is going to be a fun-filled family entertainer and such a beautiful visual treat. You will have to enjoy. Thank you so much for coming by and supporting us for this special day. First of all, I would like to thank my best friend Joby Pisam, who trusted me and gave this opportunity to do my first film. Producer like Joby has been one of the biggest pillar of support of our movie. And I would not miss this chance to mention out all artists and technicians of our movie Djibouti, because without all their support and hard works, we wouldn't have to finish this shoot, especially during the pandemic situation. So I don't know what to say. I'm so nervous and I'm so excited. Thank you so much. And again, today is a big day. We launched the Hindi trailer of our movie Djibouti. I hope and pray you'll like it and keep supporting us. And finally, I would like to thank Dr. Yogesh Lakhani, the CMD of
योगेश भाई.
Bright Outdoor Media Private Limited, organizing for this beautiful event for us.
You are most welcome. And I know एक बात और इस फिल्म के बारे में बता देना चाहती हूँ कि इस फिल्म की शूटिंग पैंडेमिक के दौरान हुई थी. तो इनके जो क्रू कास्ट की जो बात कर रहे थे, ये पैंडेमिक के दौरान जब शूट चल रही थी तब वहाँ पर बहुत सपोर्ट मिला है इनको. सही इनके लिए ये धन्यवाद कहना चाहते हैं. और हमारे स्पेशल गेस्ट भी हमारे साथ हैं. सो डोंट वरी, वी आर गोइंग टू.
Actually, I'm sorry, I'm forgetting about his name. Thank you so much, Salim Bachchan sir. Thank you so much for blessings and
So
keep supporting
cute.
us too. Thank you so much, sir. Please pray for us and blessings for you.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
डेफिनेटली. तो जोबी जी, अब हम आपको आमंत्रित करेंगे. प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज. बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. थैंक यू. Welcome sir, how are you feeling coming to Mumbai, India?
Almost every month one time I am coming. My friend Sunilji is there.
Wow.
Good evening everybody, and especially our chief guest Salim Bhatt ji and Salim Marchand ji, and my friend Yogesh Bright advertisements, and my all Djibouti crews, and especially all the medias from Mumbai and the crowd also. Welcome for our this program, and we are launch already our trailer Hindi. आप लोग है ना हमारा मूवी के लिए अच्छा से सपोर्ट करने का है. ये मूवी बहुत मेहनत करके बना हुआ है. हमारा जिबूटी का शेड्यूल एक्चुअली 40 days का शेड्यूल था. हम लोग इधर से क्रूज़ को पूरा फ्लाइट में मार्च 28 को बुलाए। सम क्रूज़ को 10 मार्च को भी बुला हुआ था। मूवी अच्छा से हम लोग शूटिंग चलाए, सिर्फ 4 दिन है। उसी टाइम ऑल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कोरोना का चक्कर में बंद हो गया था। मेरा भगवान मेरा एक बड़ा चीज़ है। आप लोग को इंडस्ट्री वाले को शायद मालूम होएगा, फर्स्ट हम लोग एक मूवी के लिए जाएगा ना, कोई भी हमको डेट नहीं देता है। मेरा ये डायरेक्टर मेरा फ्रेंड है, क्लासमेट्स है, ये बहुत आदमी के पास गया साउथ में ये मूवी के लिए एक्टिंग करने के लिए, और सब रिफ्यूज़ किया। बट लोग पूरा बंद था। एक ही मूवी लोग में पूरा दुनिया में शूट हुआ है, वो जिबूटी है। मेरे को कौन कौन डेट नहीं दिया है, और सब घर में मिनिमम 120 डेज बिठा हुआ था। ये इसके लिए भगवान मेरे साथ था। मेरा क्रूज कौन कौन उधर आया है, वो सब हम मेरे के लिए कोऑपरेट किया है। एक्चुअली हमारा 40 डेज का शेड्यूल है, 99 डेज में हम लोग जिबूटी में स्टक था। सब हम फिर बाद में हम बहुत प्रॉब्लम क्या हो गया, वापस इंडिया आने का बहुत प्रॉब्लम था। हम लोग फ्लाइट चार्टर्ड करने के लिए इंडियन गवर्नमेंट को बोला, वो अलाउ नहीं कर रहा चार्टर्ड। बाद में एम्बेसी अलाउ किया, एम्बेसी बहुत सारा बात किया फॉरेन मिनिस्ट्री से। बाद में हम बोला हम लोग एयर इंडिया का फ्लाइट भेज देगा, तुम लोग पे करना पड़ेगा। लास्ट में मैं एग्री किया, हमारा खुद का खर्चे से हम लोग कोचिन में आया, कोचिन से मुंबई आया, फिर हम लोग शांत हो गया सब क्रूज। बहुत आदमी लोग को उसी टाइम जिबूटी हम लोग शूटिंग का जगह, वो हमारे के लिए स्पेशल गवर्नमेंट का स्पेशल सपोर्ट था। ये मूवी का लॉन्चिंग पूजा का टाइम जिबूटी से 5 मिनिस्टर लोग आया था, उन लोग मूवी का पूजा लॉन्च किया था। फिर सबसे दूसरा एक और क्रेडिट, ये मूवी में फर्स्ट फिल्म है मेरा हिसाब से इंडिया में फर्स्ट मूवी का टीजर लॉन्च हुआ है, एक कंट्री का प्राइम मिनिस्टर लॉन्चिंग किया हुआ है, वो फिल्म ये जिबूटी। दूसरा हमारा ये ट्रेलर मलयालम में लॉन्चिंग किया था, जिबूटी का कल्चर मिनिस्टर है, वो जिबूटी में लॉन्च किया था। ऐसे थोड़ा सा क्रेडिट्स हमारा ये क्रू में पूरा है। इसके लिए अच्छा मूवी है, इसके लिए हम लोग ये अदर लैंग्वेज में डबिंग किया हुआ है, एक इंटरनेशनल मूवी है। एक्चुअली ये जिबूटी कंट्री एक फ्रेंच कॉलोनी है। अभी जिबूटी लोग अभी 40 साल हो गया, जिबूटी खुद अफ्रीकन लोग चल रहे हैं, अभी ये ईस्ट अफ्रीका में पड़ रहे हैं, सोमालिया का और एथियोपियन का शेयर कर रहे बॉर्डर। ये क्रूज को मैं वापस इधर इंडिया लेके आने के टाइम और बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो गया था, क्योंकि जिबूटी गवर्नमेंट फ्लाइट को अलाउ नहीं कर रहा था, थोड़ा सा इश्यूज इंडियन जिबूटी का प्रॉब्लम था। फिर हमारे को बहुत एक सपोर्ट था इंडियन जिबूटी प्रेसिडेंट बोला इंडियन लोग को भेज दो, उन लोग इधर हमारे कंट्री में विजिट के लिए आया, मूवी शूट करने के लिए आया। दोनों कंट्री का कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो हम बाद में बात करेगा, इन लोगों को छोड़ने के लिए बोल करके ऐसे हमको रात को परमिशन दिया है। और ये क्रूज को मालूम है हमारा फ्लाइट 5 तारीख था, 4 तारीख को मैं 4 बजे जाके प्रेसिडेंट को जिबूटी प्रेसिडेंट को मिला है। वो बोला, मैं उसको बोला ऐसे प्रॉब्लम से करके, वो बोला जाओ तुम लोग, क्यों ऑलरेडी मैं पे कर दिया, एयर इंडिया को पे कर दिया। अगर वो 5 तारीख को मेरा फ्लाइट उधर एयर इंडिया में उधर नहीं आ गया ना, ये क्रूज मेरा हिसाब से और 60 डेज के बाद आ जाए।
चखलकल, right? Okay. Chakhalkal. Oh my God. So Amit ji, please welcome. अमित जी, आपने बहुत सारी फिल्मों में काम किया हुआ है। मैंने आपका इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट देखा है। आई चेक्ड इट आउट एंड क्वाइट इम्प्रेसिव। सो बहुत अच्छा लगा। आई एम एक्चुअली नो वन टू से दैट, बट अमेजिंग वर्क। सो प्लीज़ हमारी जो मुंबई की मीडिया है उनसे आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Thank you so much. First of all, thank you all very much for coming, being here at this, dream come true moment. See, From my part, as Madam said, I've done a lot of movies, but I have not done so much movie. I've just done 17 movies. From that, 4 or 5 movies were as junior artist. I was doing my mechanical engineering, but that time I wanted to be in movie, but I didn't know, I didn't had any of my friends or relatives in the movie. So I was utilizing all the chance to be in front of movie. So I went and asked those people who were in the movie, can I get a chance? Can I get a chance? So 4 or 5 movies I was here and there, dying, living. If somebody come to the theater, make a sneeze, my role will be over. That was the length of my roles.
But it counts.
It counts. It really
counts.
counts, because the moment I am standing here, I should thank all the directors and all the producers and whoever have given me, even it is a seconds of chance to be in front of a camera. Because the confidence builds from there, and even each second I was in front of camera, that was building the small, stones of confidence. I don't know how can you relate to this, because being nobody from film industry, I don't have any roots or anything, but I wanted to be an actor. Slowly I started doing character roles, and Djibouti is actually my 4th movie as a lead role. But when Sinu sir came and explained me a story, he first told me the title of the movie is Djibouti. The moment he told me Djibouti, I thought that might be some character name or somebody's name. I never knew there was a country like Djibouti. Then he slowly explained, and when he explained, something was very clear to me. He explained something very clear. Amit, this is not a Malayalam movie. This is not a Hindi movie. This is not a Tamil movie. This is actually an international movie talking about something happening in the country. But this character which you're going to play as a lead, this person is from Kerala. And this is taken out of somebody's real life story. Somebody which has happened really in, real life. There is a character like mine. So since you're from Kerala, I have to explain it as an Malayalam movie, and this character is starting as a Malayalam movie. So few minutes it is staying in Kerala, then it's completely an international movie, shooting in a foreign country. Characters are foreign actors. Our wonderful actress Shagun, our terror villain, and our beautiful actress, all have a very important role to play in this movie. So I got something very clear in my head. See, 4th movie which I'm going to do is not a Malayalam movie. It is an international subject. It's a world movie where I am playing somebody from Kerala. So this is like an grab opportunity. I was so excited, and I told him, please, I'm in. When he told the story, he told me there is some intense scenes to be shot. So you just ask, get permission if you are ready. I'm like, forget everything, sir. I'm doing it. I want to be in, because who is getting a chance like the person like me to do a world movie which is gonna get released in 5-6 languages. Journey started, as Sas said. We started with all fun, all every facility. What can you ask for? Everything was there. But unfortunately, we were affected by Corona. We were stuck. We boarded, I think, our last few crew from Kerala boarded to Djibouti, and that was the last flight from Cochin. Next day, the airport got closed. Next day, the crew landed there. Next day, Djibouti airport got closed.
Wow.
We were like, what next? Will we get back? Will shoot get over? Will we be able to shoot? But I should say this thing. If it was not Joby sir, if it was not Sinu sir and crew, if it was not Djibouti government, each officials, you know what they did? We were shooting in a small district called Tajora. It's like a small district in that entire country. So our portion from the entire city, we got finished, and we were about to move to Tajora. They moved to our entire crew to Tajora. They locked Tajora, and rest of the country was going through a lockdown. Rest of the world was going through a lockdown.
Wow.
We who all were in Tajora, we were not knowing what is lockdown. We were shooting for next 40 days, I think. 40 days we were shooting. And not only we were shooting without any limitation. They provided everything. Actually, there were burning their blood and providing us. They didn't make us know anything.
Wow.
Because that much commitment the production team and the government wanted, and they wanted this movie to be completed somehow. And there were a lot of problems. We had injuries, we had medical casualties, but there is no chance we can go to hospital because hospital is around 200 kilometers away.
Yeah.
We don't know if somebody get affected with corona. We don't know whether we don't have any facility to check it or not. After we finished the shoot, they brought back us to city. We were all, sitting in lockdown, waiting for flight. They took care of us 60 days without, nothing was, we were not affecting anyway. They provided us everything.
Everything.
They provided us everything. They bought the flight with double the charges. When it was 70, they bought for 1 crore 40 lakh rupees. They paid just to get back to India.
India.
Only one commitment. Entire people doing Djibouti was completing this movie, complete this world movie, complete and deliver to you guys. So
Wow.
we have done that much. We don't know what all we undergo.
Gone through.
Yeah, exactly. Even words are not coming. Excitement is kicking in because you can understand for a person like.
Wow.
And we need your support.
Definitely.
We need your support to show this to world. This is not a Malayalam movie, please, and this is not only Indian movie. This is a movie which is saying the story of a foreign country. This is an international movie. Please support us, and we need all your support. Thank you so much for coming and supporting, sir. Our team.
So उसके बाद अब ये international movie. So how is it all possible?
I'm very nervous right now, and this is my first international Malayalam movie, and everything was very challenging for me. सुबह जल्दी उठने से लेकर language learn करना, being
Sorry
with
to
new people.
cut you. जल्दी उठना challenge?
Yeah, because I don't wake up early. I'm a night bird, that's why.
Okay.
And so every day was a new challenge for me. Being with them, sitting with them, hearing them what they're talking in Malayalam, and मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आता, so I used to keep looking at their face, and then they helped me with the dialogues. Sir helped me a lot, my co-actor and my team, everybody was very supportive, and I'm really honored to be a part of this. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Everybody.
Thank you. Okay, तो हमारे जैसे मैंने एंटर किया विलन हमारे वाओ रोहित मग्गू जी कब शुरू हुई क्या हुआ मतलब यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँच गए चलते
First of all, thank you very much for having me here, and it's an honor to be here. And I'm nervous right now. This is my first time, and it's my debut movie. And basically, and by profession, I'm a model. So last year I got an opportunity for this movie, and yeah, sorry, I'm nervous right now.
I can see him like his
This is
tears
my
like
first
almost
time.
coming
so
out.
Please hope you all are not mind. I'm so sorry.
No, it's absolutely okay. It's absolutely okay.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
I can see the flex. It's okay to be not okay. So it's absolutely fine. So welcome to Mumbai and welcome to this
you very
big industry. Okay, हमारे साथ और एक actress है Adira जी. Please come on stage. Namaste.
Namaste. Good evening, everyone. Even I'm also nervous. This is my first movie. By profession, I'm a dentist. But acting in movie and playing different characters are really my passion. Thank you, Sinu sir, for giving me sharing my character name. And thank you to my wonderful co-actors. I don't know, I'm really nervous.
So dentist मतलब दांत तोड़ने का काम करती हैं आप?
Yes, at times.
At times. वैसे डेंटिस्ट मैंने देखा है गौर किया है कि काफ़ी डेंटिस्ट ना बहुत खूबसूरत होते हैं बहुत खूबसूरत होते हैं और जो मेल डेंटिस्ट होते हैं बहुत हैंडसम होते हैं